The day I received my AB dental implant, that evening, I was enjoying my wife's home cooking.
So the AB implant was just perfect. There was no pain involved. He gave me pain pills to take, but I went to sleep and I didn't have any pain.
If anything, I've been able to eat harder foods with the implants because they're so much stronger than normal teeth.
The implants are actually stronger than my teeth. I smile, I eat whatever I want without fear.
He has done a lot of crowns. He has rebuilt a lot of my teeth in the front, and they are perfect for many, many years. And I'm really happy with all the work he's done.
What are they all talking about? The AB dental implant, which is now available at the Orlando Center for Cosmetic Dentistry, right here in Orlando, Florida. Dr. Marcano specializes in this state-of-the-art implant tooth replacement system.
Well, the AB implants are very durable. They have a really high success rate between 95 and 98%. They are FDA approved, and they're unique in a way that it's the only implant that can be used in the hydrosia machine. The hydrosia machine is a machine that AB Dental Implants created and did the research at the University of Pennsylvania in Philadelphia, where this machine makes the implants hydrophilic. What that means is that your own blood as a patient, that it's coming from the socket where the tooth was extracted, will go on the surface of the implant, and it will go in the surface of the implant. So basically your own blood goes inside of the implant and also integrates on the inside of the implant and on the outside. It makes the implant unique, like no other implant in the market.
Dr. Marcano told me I was ready for another implant, and I take him at his word, of course. And I came in and I received an AB dental implant, upper left, and it's worked out great. I had come in last month and had it done within the day. I went home comfortable. I came back for a post-op checkup last week, and everything is fine with the AB dental implant, and I would recommend it to anyone if they need an implant to come see Dr. Marcano.
So you may be wondering if patients feel any pain when AB dental implants are placed, and the answer is absolutely not. When you come to the Orlando Center for Cosmetic Dentistry and you're going to have an implant placed by me, I'm going to make sure, I'm going to be 100% sure that you're completely numb when you're having this procedure done. And I have several ways of testing and verifying that you have the numbness. And we're going to go ahead and manage your pain level to be at 0. How do we do that? Well, one of the things that I do with my patients is that I make sure that they're taking antibiotics before they have the treatment done. I make sure that they have pain medications before they have the treatment done, and I make sure that they take the medication before they have the treatment done. So not only we're going to go ahead and treat you with the best anesthesia available for you, we're going to be sure that you have pain medication before and after you have the implant placed. Let's now take a look at the AB implant manufacturing facility, and we will learn more about this amazing and unique dental implant technology that has changed the dental world.
AB Dental is a leading dynamic and innovative global company specializing in the development, manufacturing, marketing, and distribution of dental implants, prosthetic parts, and surgical tools. We provide dentists with a complete solution to satisfy all clinical needs, along with computerized implant planning and surgical guides with individually customized implants for maxillofacial reconstructions. Our modern plant is equipped with the most advanced CNC machines in the world and includes ISO certified controlled clean room where our sterile products are being processed and packed. Each machine specializes in a different product category. Quality lies in the details. This is why we supervise the entire process closely and carefully according to the predefined inspection checkpoints. AB Dental is committed to comply with the highest medical regulatory standards and regulations. Safety, precision, short surgery time, and easier work process are always on our mind. We dream big and go far. Innovation is one of our biggest advantages. Our unique technology finds every patient a perfect match. We offer ad hoc solutions for complex cases by using 3D laser sintering to create an individually customized implant from scratch. Our system lets you apply this technology on every AB dental implant to make it super hydrophilic right before implantation.
So I work directly with the AB implant facility. I am a distributor for AB implants. So what that means is that these FDA approved implants come directly to me. There's no middleman, there's no dental supply company. So what I can do is I can pass the savings of the dental implant to you, the consumer. So when you're a patient of mine and you have an AB dental implant, you can be sure that I have all the latest parts, all the latest implants, fresh implants, because I buy them directly from the factory.
And I trust Dr. Marcano. And so the tooth was an AB tooth, and he had to use a special tool so that he would not touch that nerve. It went beautifully. I went home, went to sleep. I didn't even have to take pain pills. The AB tooth is awesome. It worked. I had not had a tooth in that area for a long, long time, and the gums were very old and shrunk. And Dr. Marcano said, "Dear, you need a tooth there," because the upper teeth didn't have something to hold on to. So I was scared, but he used a special tool that it didn't touch that nerve, so the AB implant was just perfect. There was no pain involved. He gave me pain pills to take, but I went to sleep and I didn't have any pain. Well, I love steak, and that's hard to chew, and you should chew it well. So steak, yes. Salad, believe it or not, you have to do a lot of chewing. And the AB implant is just working great. I just had a cleaning, and Dr. Marcano said the AB tooth was doing great. Well, when we come in, we feel like we're family. They greet us with such happiness, and we just feel warm. You know, it's like family. And the doctor, he asked us about the family, and it's just a relationship you build over the years.
The AB implants are very affordable. And I make them affordable to you as a patient because they are affordable to me as a dentist. And the way that happens is that I am a distributor from AB implants, so I buy the implants directly from them. So I have an extra savings on obtaining the implants, and I pass the savings to the patients.
I've been really quite pleased with the outcome of the implants. They've been very comfortable, actually, in the process of implantation, both the drilling of the jaw and the implant of the post itself, and then eventually the crowns. In fact, the day that I leave with my new implants, I'm able to go right back and continue with a normal diet. So I've been really quite pleased with that, and no discomfort. It's been practically painless, and the medications and the injections that he provides before starting procedures have been excellent. I haven't, like I say, I felt no discomfort. The implants I have found to have been far stronger than the teeth that they were replacing, even when they were in a moderately healthy condition. So my diet hasn't changed a great deal over time. If anything, I've been able to eat perhaps harder foods with the implants because they're so much stronger than normal teeth.
Call and make an appointment now to see Dr. Marcano and get this amazing new cutting-edge AB dental implant and receive free dental cleanings for 1 full year right here in Orlando. That's right, free professional dental cleanings for an entire year. Call the number on the screen now and schedule your appointment today.
He has done a lot of crowns. He has rebuilt a lot of my teeth in the front, and they are perfect for many, many years. And I'm really happy with all the work he's done. He is very gentle, and he is very careful with all the work he does, and his work is of very good quality. I highly recommend him. because of his quality of work and his patience.
One of the great things of coming to see us at the Orlando Center for Cosmetic Dentistry is that we have many different financing options available. We have 4 to 5 different companies that do the financing for the patients, and we qualify a high number of our patients who walk out of here ready with an appointment and a financing plan to go ahead and get their surgery. I'm going to go ahead and treat the area where the tooth used to be, and we're going to remove all that nasty, bad infection tissue that was in there, and we're going to sterilize it and disinfect it with the laser. You have your safety glasses, and then we're going to go ahead and work on the area. Well, the great thing about this Solea laser is that I use it for when a patient has an extraction and they have a tooth out that has an infection. This is the best way on the market, in the dental market. It's a laser made right here in the United States in Massachusetts. And the way it works, it eliminates all the bacteria from the bad tissue left behind from an abscess, from something that, made the tooth being extracted. So it cleans out all the bad tissue and disinfects the area so that I can place an implant, and the implant will succeed much better because I use the Solea laser on the extraction socket. It helps me be able to grab the tooth so that when I'm pulling your tooth, it doesn't disintegrate. So it creates a nice, clean environment for me to be able to grab the tooth and do the extraction. After the tooth is out, what I use the Solea laser for is to disinfect the socket. You want to place an implant on a very nice, clean, and bacteria-free environment. And the only way that you can do it, for sure, is by using the Solea laser. The laser energy will kill all the bacteria that are affiliated with the granulation tissue, with the bad tissue that is left behind when the tooth comes out. If there's an infection, if there's a cyst, or if there's any pathology left in the tooth extraction socket, the Solea laser will go ahead and remove that and leave the good tissue behind. Okay, Diana, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and open your sterile implant. We're going to place it on the hydrosio machine, and the implant is going to be treated with a special plasma light under a vacuum, and it's going to make the implant extremely hydrophilic. What that means is that the implant, it's going to be very friendly to the liquid water medium and the blood of your extraction. It's going to go inside of the implant, and in several weeks it's going to become bone. So that's why this hydrosio machine makes your implant so much stronger, because not only it's going to have bone created on it on the outside, we're going to have bone creation on the inside surface of the implant. So let's go ahead and put it in the machine.
Starting activation.
As you can see, the plasma light is affecting the implant. It's actually sterilizing it and treating the surface and making it really hydrophilic. And the fact that it becomes hydrophilic seconds before it goes in your mouth makes it very different from any other implant that may be treated at the factory weeks or months or even years before that it may not work completely. So this way you know it's going to be hydrophilic.
Activation complete.
And I am the first dentist in the United States who received the first hydrosio machine that was tested at the University of Pennsylvania School of Dental Medicine. So when you come to see me at the Orlando Center for Cosmetic Dentistry to get an AB implant placed, you know that it's going to be the best AB implant placed, because I'm going to go ahead and place the implant in the hydrosio machine, which is going to make it extremely hydrophilic, and you're going to get an implant that has a higher success rate than an implant that is not treated with the hydrosio machine. With the AB implant treated by the hydrosio machine, you know that that implant is going to be 100% hydrophilic, because it's going to be treated literally seconds before it's placed in your mouth.
He's done. I've had implants done. It's been a great experience. Prior to coming here, I was petrified of the dental office, and thank, due to his hands, I'm here. I've been coming here for over 10 years, and I've recommended many people, and staff, friendly, professional, very, very, very pleased with the services. Walking into the office and seeing the high-tech equipment, I know that I'm working with the best dentist. I know that, you're going to get the best work done. The technology, the high-tech technology that he uses, it's amazing. It can be from an X-ray to an implant to just a root canal. You're in good hands because of the high technology that he uses. I needed 3 implants. I actually originally came just to get 1 done, but it's like I said, I felt so comfortable, and it was such a great job that I decided to get 2 other ones done. And I've not had any problems. I'm very pleased, with the outcome. You come in and they're friendly, they're outgoing, they're always smiling, they're always laughing, and you could tell, that they do get along. They've come together, and it's, even when you get a phone call, to confirm an appointment, it's hey Vivian, how are you? Listen, your appointment is coming up. They make you feel very, very at home. I was petrified of the dentist. I mean, it would take me years, of regular cleaning. It would not be every 6 months for me because of bad experiences, or past experiences. And the second I walked in here and I sat in Dr. Marcano's chair, it was a different experience. I mean, I do my every 6 months. I've gotten, the work done, and it's amazing. I've lost that. He's made me feel so comfortable that I no longer fear. Mind you, I would not visit anybody else but this office, because he's got great hands. I love him.
At AB Dental, we've brought implantology into the future with a 3D digitally planned implant method. At AB Guided Service Centre, our team of professionals merged the intraoral scan with the CT scan to create a detailed and complete 3D imaging of the patient's mouth, teeth, gums and all. The AB Guided Service professionals can now study the patient's mouth, plan the ideal implant procedure and send it to the doctor for review. With the final treatment plan completed, the AB Guide is now printed using our in-house 3D printer. The AB Guide will be placed in the mouth during surgery, helping the surgeon make the most precise incisions. This step allows the doctor to fine-tune the procedure before stepping foot in the surgery room.
The implant goes in with really no discomfort whatsoever to me. And so it was the AB dental implant, since it's been in now within the last month, as I said, no issues. And I'm chewing and everything. I was, in fact, the day I received my AB dental implant, that evening I was enjoying my wife's home cooking. With the AB dental implant, there's nothing that I can't enjoy. I can enjoy carrots, I can enjoy corn on the cob. I had an apple for breakfast this morning, and I don't even give a second thought when I'm about to enjoy any of those foods. And so for people that need help in terms of maybe more enjoying a meal, I would certainly encourage them to come see Dr. Marcano and see if an AB dental implant could do the good work for them that it's done for me.
One of the advantages of having an AB implant treated in the office right before it goes in your mouth is that the time that it takes for the implant to osseointegrate, it's going to be cut in half. So basically, if you go anywhere else and you have an implant placed, it's going to take several months to be able to be placed into function. With an AB implant placed at the Orlando Center for Cosmetic Dentistry and treated by the hydrosio machine, you're going to be waiting weeks, not months, to go ahead and have your tooth finally in function and you being able to eat with it.
Call and make an appointment now to see Dr. Marcano and get this amazing new cutting-edge AB dental implant and receive free dental cleanings for 1 full year right here in Orlando. That's right, free professional dental cleanings for an entire year. Call the number on the screen now and schedule your appointment today.
Come to the Orlando Center for Cosmetic Dentistry and have a consultation with me. Let me help you keep smiling with your healthy teeth, and I will complement your smile by replacing your not so good teeth with the state-of-the-art AB implant tooth replacement system.
Call today and make an appointment to get your AB dental implant with Dr. Marcano at the Orlando Center for Cosmetic Dentistry right here in Orlando, located at 4861 South Orange Avenue in Orlando. Call 40785 51471. That's 40785 51471. For more information, you can log on to their website at www.drmarcano.com.